Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to our beloved lecturer Sir Rahimi bin Muhammad Rosman. Today we would like to present about our group project which is PC proposal. Before that let me introduce ourselves.
Me Nur Natasha binti Nur Syam. Me Nur Fatih binti Muhammad Syukri.
And me Nur Syakila Emiliana binti saya Abdul Kadir. For monitor HP 20 LED, display specification is display size 49.53 cm or 19.5 inch. Resolution WXGA 1440 multiply 900. Tip and swell angle tip -5 to 15. Display type LED backlight on screen control brightness exit input connector VGA. User program aspect ratio 16:10. Display area 19.48 multiply 10.32. In brightness 250 ED. Then battery and power. Power supply type input voltage 100 to 240 voltage. For dimension 45.46 multiply 30.112 cm. For warranty, they give 3-year limited warranty. For the price, 310.
For the Nova Cap computer case, the color is black or white. Motherboard ATX Micro ATX Mini. CPU cooler up to 160 mm tall. VGA up to 320 long and up to 140 mm tall. Power supply up to 2000 to 2020 mm long, and the dust filter bottom slide up PSU dust filter fully front 120 mm multiplied by 2. For the cooling area 120 mm multiplied by 1 included. For the radiator rear 120 mm. For the I/O USB 3.0 multiplied by 1. Dimension 183 multiply 437 multiply 465 mm. Material steel plastic. Weight 4.8 kg to 10.6 IBS. For the special feature, close front panel to block noise. Front panel side event for good airflow. Large window side panel. Pre-installed mainboard stand of rubberized and anti-slip case fit. PSU dust filter. For the price is RM 350. I suggest is Asus H97 Plus. For the chipset is Intel H97. Memory is 4 times DIMM max 32 gig. For the graphic integrated graphic processor Intel HD graphic support multi VGA output support HDMI DVI RGB port. HDMI with max resolution. Support DVI-D with max resolution. For the next is support RGB with maximum shared memory of 512 MB. support up to 3 displays simultaneously. For the storage is Intel H97 chipset, 1 times SATA express port compatible with 2 times SATA 6.0 GB. Support RAID 0. Support Intel Smart Response technology. Next USB port is Intel H97 chipset, 6 times USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports. For at back panel blue, 2 at mainboard Intel mainboard. Price is RM 399 ringgit.
For the graphic card, VGA DVI HDMI DDR5 GeForce graphic card video NVIDIA. For the RAM capacity is 4 GB. Bus interface PCIe 1.1.2.0 multiply 16. Memory bus wide 1 GB. Memory size 192 bit. PCI Express 2.0.1.6x. Memory frequency 4100 MHz. GPU GPM 107. Max resolution 2560 multiply 160 pixel. 4 clock 900 MHz. Model GeForce GTX 750 Ti. Memory 126 MHz. Texture fill rate 10.8G texture, and the price is 150 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, for the keyboard, we choose LED backlight multimedia wire gaming keyboard M200. Backlight color red, purple and blue. Key life 10 million times. Working current 350 ampere. Working voltage 5 voltage. DC equal 0.5 voltage. Support system for Win 7, 8 Vista XP 2000 for OS X 10.2. Interface is wired. Brand OEM. Keyboard size 44.0 multiply 13.5 multiply 4.0. Keyboard weight 929 gram and price RM 229 ringgit. Next is mouse. We choose X9 USB wire optical gaming mouse. Game mice. Material ABS. Resolution 4000 dpi. Cable length 1.3 meter. Site settable for Android TV box, Android TV, Google TV box and HTPC and PC. Okay, for the package weight 0.104 kg. Interface wired. Coding supported no. Product size 13 multiply 7 multiply 3.50. Package contents 1 X9 optical gaming mouse, and for the price RM 7 ringgit and 90 cent. Okay, next is AutoCAD Mechanical 2018 for Windows. Brand is Autodesk. Support yes. Model AutoCAD Mechanical 2018 for Windows 32-bit. Listen type education standalone. Access type install up to 2 personal device. Additional usage install up to 2 personal device. And for the warranty 3 years usage, and the price is 150 ringgit. Next is Adobe Suite. We choose Adobe Creative Suite 6 design standard with activator for Windows OS. Okay, for the product detail of Adobe Creative Suite 6, they have Photoshop, CS6, Illustrator, CS6, InDesign, CS6, and Acrobat X Pro. Brand is Adobe. And model Adobe Creative Suite 6 design standard with activator for Windows OS. And for the price is RM57 ringgit. Okay, next is for OS. We choose Windows Driver Software 2018. Automatic easy install updated DVD disc for Windows 10, 8, 7, Vista and XP. Brand supported is Asus, HP, Dell, Gateway, Toshiba, Acer, Sony, Samsung, MSI and others. For the processor, 1 GHz, RAM 1 GB, free hard disk space 16 GB. And for the advantages, is easy automatic driver installation of all missing driver in about 5 minutes. Save time, no need to spend time searching for driver, install a few clicks. Any driver for any computer or driver on a single DVD. Ability to update existing driver to more recent version. Okay, for the price is 143 ringgit. Okay, for the C++, we choose subcategory developmental programming language, distribution media, floppy 3.5 HD disk, version 3.0, manufacture Borland International include, lesson category shrink wrap, min RAM size 1 MB, min hard drive space 5 MB, and min processor type Intel 286 or higher. Price is 59 ringgit and 70 cent.
For the Adobe, we choose Adobe Dreamweaver CC 2018 for Windows. Processor Intel Core 2 or AMD Athlon 64, processor 2 GHz or faster processor. Windows, Microsoft Windows 7 with Service Pack 1, Windows 8, 8.1 or Windows 10. For the RAM, 2 GB or more of RAM. For the display, 1024 plus multiply 7, 6, 8 displays. For the OpenGL 2.0 capable system. For the brand is Adobe. Customer support, yes, and the price is RM 50 ringgit.
Next is for the RAM, 2 GB DDR3 800 PC2 6400 non-ECC desktop PCD IMM memory RAM ST RAM 240 pins. The quality of this RAM is 100% and high quality. For capacity is 4 GB. For pins, it has 240 pins. And form factor is from D1 mm. For speed is 1600 mHz. And for memory specifications is PC2 6400 and supply voltage 1.5 volt. And for this price only 77 ringgit and 80 cent. For processor, we choose Intel Core i3 800/3.6 GHz processor. Type of this processor is Core i3, brand from Intel. Number of cores is quad core. Memory size is 64 GB. Processor number is 13/800. Clock speed is 3.6 GHz. Type from form factor is for
Intel Core i3 800 8 Gen. For cache memory details is 6 MB. Item model number is BX80684138100. Warranty for this processor is 3 years warranty, and for the price 452 ringgit. Okay, next is a printer. Printer that we choose is Canon MG25670 multifunctional printer. Printing type is color. Printing technology is inkjet. Scanner type is flat back. Print resolution is 400 times 600 dpi. Print speed black is 8 ppm. Print speed color 4 ppm. Paper size is A4, A5, and B5. For network is USB 2.0. Color, this printer is white. Warranty for 1 year. Printer type is multifunctional, and the price is only 199. Okay, for speaker is we choose a Genius 2.0 CHPC speaker SPU115. Total output is 3W. For driver unit 50mm. Power supply is USB plug to laptop or PC computers. Volume control, yes. Audio input 3.5mm. Front panel option, glossy front and matte cover. Colors, this speaker is black, red, blue and white. Weight is 400 gram. For dimension is 70 times 111 times 70mm. And for warranty, 1 year limited hardware warranty, and the price is only 34 ringgit. Okay. For the last one is a storage device. For storage device is Toshiba 1TB HDD 7200 RPM internal hard drive desktop hard disk. For brand is Toshiba. Model is DT01ACA100. Interface SATA 6.0 GB. Capacity is 1 TB and cache 32 MB. For usage is for daily computing. Form factor is 3.5 inch. Weight only 0.3 kg. Product number 5240921, and for price is 178.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.